there! Guess who? It's me, Toiley T. Paper. As I'm sure you already know, I'm performing at Dynasty Typewriter at 8 p.m. on Thursday, March 29. Now look, there's going to be other acts on the bill, but I don't want them to feel bad that the entire audience is there only to see me. So here's what we're going to do. When you get to Dynasty Typewriter, you say you're there to see one of the other acts. It doesn't matter who it is. It could be Pam Severance, Tim Lagasse, Ithamar Enriquez, Marshawn DeLillis, Liz Hara, Ron Lynch, or even Kirk Thatcher, whoever that is. Look, it doesn't matter. You say you're there to see one of the other acts, and that will be code between you and me that you're really there to see me. Sound good? Good. I'll see you at Dynasty Typewriter